In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your current tax return as a PDF in TurboTax for free. If you want to keep a digital copy of your tax return for your records, this is a simple process you can complete directly inside your TurboTax account. Saving your return as a PDF is helpful if you want to store it on your computer, upload it securely somewhere else later, or print it when needed. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To get started, sign into your TurboTax account. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you've had more than one in the past. Once you're signed in, go ahead and open your current tax return. This is important because you'll need to be inside the return you want to save before the print and download options appear. After your return is open, look for the Tax Tools option. Depending on your screen size or device, it may appear on the left-hand side or within a menu. Click Tax Tools to expand more options. From there, select Tools. This section gives you access to several helpful account and return features, including the one you need for downloading your PDF. Next, click Print Center, or if you see a slightly different label, click Print Your Return. TurboTax may vary a little depending on the version or layout you're using, but both options are meant to take you to the same place. Once you're there, choose Download Print PDF. This tells TurboTax to generate a PDF copy of your current tax return. After you click that option, give it a moment. In many cases, the PDF will begin downloading automatically. The amount of time this takes can depend on your internet speed and your browser, so if it doesn't appear instantly, just wait a few seconds. Avoid clicking repeatedly, since that can sometimes open extra download attempts. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and confirm that the PDF file has been saved. This final check is a good habit because it ensures the file downloaded properly and is available when you need it. If you don't see it right away, you can also check your browser's recent downloads list. And that's it. You've successfully saved your current tax return as a PDF in TurboTax for free. Thanks for watching.